Namaskar, this is me, Neha Goyal from Neha Goyal Stream Reading, and I will be live with all of you on the 28th January on OOZ Global. I am an empowerment coach, tarot reader, numerologist, and a DNA astrologer. In this live, we will be breaking a lot of myths about astrology and how actually the ancients wanted us to utilize the divinity of the cosmos called astrology to strengthen us to know our strengths and weaknesses, also to know that how we can use it in our daily life to empower us rather than disempower us. Join me live on the 28th of January only on OOZ Global, in which I will be breaking some myths about astrology. Astrology was a science which was basically meant to empower us and to make our own destiny. Do you know that this was possible? This and a lot more we will be discussing for your empowerment on the 28th of January. Join us. In case you have any question in relation to the topic, send it to us and we will pick it up.